Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by using your school Google account so events sync with your student tools. Once signed in, open Calendar and create a new calendar named for the class or semester. This keeps school items separate. Make sure to set the correct time zone and default event duration. These choices prevent missed classes. Also set visibility and notification defaults now so you don't reconfigure each event later. This saves time across the semester. You now add events for every class and important deadline, using course codes and locations for quick scanning. Once done, set repeating rules, weekly with an end date, and add exceptions for holidays so the pattern stays accurate. Make sure to color code by course to visually separate items. Attach the syllabus or drive files to lecture events and add meeting links. This keeps everything accessible when you or classmates search or need materials. You finish by sharing the calendar with classmates or TAs. Choose view or edit permissions depending on collaboration needs. Then sync to your phone by installing the Google Calendar app and confirming notification settings so reminders arrive. Make sure calendars are toggled on in the app and in web settings so events appear. If items go missing, check account used, time zone mismatches, and calendar visibility. Those 3 fixes resolve most sync or display problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.